baby's falling over. Can you get him up, Jacob? Oh, everybody's covered in leaves.
I'm gonna make you your little own leaf pile.
Ella, what you doing?
I'm playing with the leaves.
You look like you've got a nest. Are you gonna lay an egg?
Does that look good for Hunter?
Oh, Hunter! Oh no! Where are your legs? Where are your legs? Oh.
It's the castle of leaves!
Yay! It's raining leaves. Hallelujah. Woo!
That's fun, Jacob.
Look at them go! Look at them go! How you feel about this, Hunter? How are you feeling about this? Woo!
Jacob, I need more leaves.
Oh, there goes Jacob. Off to get more leaves. She didn't mean by headbutting the tree, Jacob.
Huh?
Nothing. I don't think that's what she meant. Jacob's solution to we need more leaves.
We need a rake.
What? That's how cavemen raked leaves.
I'm not sure cavemen even know how to rake leaves.
Hunter! Hi there!
Getting tons of leaves, Ella.
Hunter! What is your brother doing?
Is he making lots of noise?
Is he bringing you lots of good things to eat?
I'm surprised he hasn't eaten any.
I'm not. One taste of leaf is about all anybody needs. Hunter! Hi there!
Okay.
Oh, look at my Ella!
I'm doing fun now. Oh, yeah,
Hunter, do you just not know what to do about all this? Hunter!
Leaves off of him. He wants to get washed off.
Hunter! Are you playing in the leaves?
Koopa
Are you playing in the leaves?
No, Koopa wants us to build a big pile for him to jump into.
Hey, cover Ella in leaves again.
Okay. Okay. Ow! I landed on a stick. I stepped on a stick. And it hurt. I had nothing.
Woo!
I had nothing.
No, she doesn't. I can still see her. Oh, look at Ella. Oh no, my daughter has no body. Oh no, my daughter has no neck. Ah! Oh no!
Cover your face, Ella.
Oh no! Hey Ella, jump!
No, wait.
Ella, jump!
Cooper.
Jump! Woo!
What happened to your kitty? What happened to Ella's kitty cat? Oh, that's a unicorn.
Cat? I'm a kitty cat.
No,
Hey, don't be rough with her toys, Jacob.
I was just doing
She likes her Koopa.
Can I get Caitlin
No,
so she can play with us?
no,
Please?
nope.
Please? I need more. I was thinking, give me
sticks, Jacob.
I call this leaf territory ours. I find you ball. My ball. Not finding again. I find it.
Hey Jacob, look at the camera. Say something cool.
Hello.
Look up at the sky. Look up at the sky.
What?
Look up at the sky. This is what Jacob's nose looked like at 9 years old. Aha!
What?
I shot the camera straight up your nose. Yes, it is. That's awesome.
Jacob, give me one leaf. I'm trying to shove this big stick in the ground to make a...
No!
What?
Keep sticks away from the baby. They're kind of dangerous.
Ooh, look at this.
No! Hunter!
Mom, give me more leaves.
No!
Woo. Maybe you got to give me more leaves. Maybe this side's better.
Hello, Hunter. Hello,
Leaf
Hunter.
territory ours with the string.
Hey, Hunter. You a patty cake? You a patty cake? Patty cake? Patty cake?
I'm going to throw you the leaves.
Hunter.
Look out.
Yay!
I'll be right
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mommy!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, Ella. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your phone just beeped.
Okay.
And the thing was